This is the Theni National Highway. This is Gudalur. This video shows a beautiful road view from here to Suruli. The distance from Gudalur to Suruli is 10 kilometers. Gudalur is a municipal town in Theni District in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. Life here revolves around agriculture and almost everyone has something or the other to do with farming. This place is a village surrounded by paddy fields, vast expanses of arid land, diverse flora and fauna. Principal crops are paddy, pulses, coconut, grapes, vegetables, flowers and groundnut. Crops such as gingely and cotton are also extensively cultivated. Main source of water is from Periyar Dam. The Tamil Nadu government has undertaken to build a memorial for Penny Cuick, who built the Mullai Periyar Dam at Lower Camp, near Gudalur. Gudalur in the southern state of Tamil Nadu is a beautiful place located in the Western Ghats Mountains of India. Most of this region is covered with lush greenery. Gudalur still takes pride in its age-old customs and traditions. A bullock cart race is still organized every year during the Muthalaman Temple Festival. Gudalur is home to some ancient temples such as Azagar Swami Temple and Mangaladevi Kadam Temple. Being more of an aesthetically appealing place, Gudalur does not have many specific places of interest in the town, but its scenic beauty makes it worth a visit. Moreover, Needle Rock Point, Frog Hill Viewpoint, Nelli Alam, Nellikata, and Nambalakata are extremely picturesque places located just a few kilometers away from Gudalur that need to be visited. Falls, is located 56 kilometers from Theni and 10 kilometers from Gudalur in the Theni District in Tamil Nadu, India. It is a two-stage cascading waterfall. The Suruli River supplying the falls originates from the Meghamalai mountain range. The falls drop from a height of 150 feet, gathers into a pool, flows for a short distance and again plummets an additional 40 feet.